AM00 made this one, you know.
Bust them doors, jump out, get fishing, civilians watching, man, you're on business. I'm doing 2 weeks in country serving, my mum's a report man missing. Since got steps like Coney, you're thinking. One eye closed, no winking, jigs, and I know where the waps are hidden. Since got step tape off, you're chilling. I'll back my friend, I won't stand there watching. Shanks get swung, I don't know about boxing. What happened to Robs was shocking. L22 got hit in his noggin. K on the LV fucking lost it. Last nigga that added them kids got put in the coffin. 12 gauge long so you know he's chopping. 12 gauge long so you know he got shortened. This galley hair so boring, yawning on the up block, exploring, touring. Blaze get stuck to your organs, cells get beat in the night and the morning. Waps get beat in the night and the morning, bro. Went to the twos and bored him. Since God don't backbones and record it.
Rambo, trying to push it in August. Laughing, I heard I fucked up his walking. Talk that talk, but talk is cheap. So I did up the baiting. I acted the camera, see. I was all blacked out like GP. That boy got chinged on an empty stomach. All he wanted was some at D. Serious splashing, my sinners are violent. Double tap that, then duck from sirens. They act for the social media, live in the flesh. They go into hiding, purging your block with eager, swing and ching, doing grim, no reaper. Stop face, no way can I GR. Deep throw, still trying to push it deeper.
I'm on the up block riding solo, yo bro, I don't know enough about Volvo. Joe swinging right and left, that them is meant. Already got dropped, Church got kicked and punched. All of their chat is enough, tear their batch and pack. Put their phone, come glide for your guys, come glide for your guys. Circle the 9 is easy peasy, I can't see no ops, they're sneaky. Jump out gang on top, them man run real fast, they're speedy. Try run, couldn't catch his breath, bro woke up me shaving. Them man chat on the lane, but they know that the lane be stepping. Big bro put 2 in the spinner, but you know that jig gon' press it. I'm in the ride with Smith, you don't meet with Weston. When I caught me 2-2 boy, I had to give him a chef in. Them man chat on bro, but they know that bro got a Smith from Weston. Pull up a 9, them man dash, I see that he obligate, he's wassy. Chatty, them man they come like patties. They don't CTP with fuck off shank. Tryna put him in a hearse. Up Tugsy, he knows the U and the 6.
Okay, them old school friends turn pagans. Now the boys start rapping, sure you wanna spend some time. I told her cool cause the boys trapping, but she still get treated like darling. Caramel Barbie, chocolate browning, how can you be so jarring? I said all of my guys are sinners, I ain't in all the talk, I'm verbal. ND to my left, 2 men too wet, man's face make him look like turtle. 17 inch sitting in my trousers, give man chest shots, no trousers. Man still tryna insert players, turn man red, make him look like scousers.